Is that all your energy? Come on! This is our first time and this is what you give us? Come on! Okay, Of course, I would like to formally welcome you to the best show that you're ever going to watch. This is Sigurado Class World Tour!
Let's go!
Sige po, mapakilala mo na ako. Hello everyone, my name is Pablo.
Hello, hi everyone, my name is Josh.
Aloha, it's your boy Stels!
Hello everyone, my name is Ken. What's up everyone? I'm Justin.
Because we are
SBNC!
Imagine guys, we've been through 7 TVs and this is our last stop for this tour and oh my god, I can't imagine how fast the time, so thank you so much guys for your energy.
Because all our shows have been sold out, and that's why, with the bottom of our hearts, we are so grateful and thankful to every one of you here. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much.
We are very happy to be here. Are you guys happy? We're happy too. This is our first time to perform in Hawaii, right? And thank you guys for your warm welcome. Your energy, guys, can I hear your energy one more time? You know what? Your energy feels like we're home. Is it really Philippines? Pinoy Magingan!
You know, it really feels like the Philippines because when we landed here, I saw lots of people who are topless. You know, I see a lot of those in the Philippines. Like, ready for the beach. Yeah, it's so cool. You see one of our staffs, they also remove their clothes because they want to be like locals here. It's so cool. Mamaya, mag-uhubad na naman yung iba dyan. Tingnan natin.
What I want to ask, what was I say? Let's save that for later, okay? Let's save that for later. But I want to ask the members. Okay, is there anything that you already done here? You tried here, like food or? Did you visit the beach?
Yesterday, we went walking.
Oh yeah, yesterday we went to the beach.
And we saw a sea turtle.
A sea turtle.
We're like, oh look, there's a sea turtle. We managed to stay there for like 20 minutes, and we were kind of confused because like the locals are like, it's just a sea turtle, and we're like, oh look, it's a sea turtle.
Is it a sea turtle?
Is sea turtle common here?
Is it common here to see sea turtles? Oh, that's why.
I haven't seen one in my life. I haven't seen one. Should have come to us. Should come to us. No, maybe next time. Yeah. Sobrang looking forward lang namin. Because besides that this is our last stop for our US leg, we are just thankful. Finally, we are here now in Hawaii. Yes. And actually, the feeling here is close to the Philippines. The weather, the buildings outside, syempre the streets, are kind of close to the Philippines, so it feels really like home. Pero syempre, mas malalaman natin yun sa sigawan yung lahat. Okay? Teka lang. Gusto ko muna i-try yung mga nasa likod. How's the people at the back? How about in the middle?
Pag-asa.
Ito.
How about everyone?
Thank you so much.
I think everyone's ready.
I think they're ready. Honolulu, I just want to say this is our first time here. This is very special. I know that we don't like to eat anymore. So without further ado, this is Simula't Bukas. Let's go.